Hi, this is 30 by 50 east facing 4 BHK climate control villas, which is in Guru Punwani Elegance. So, which has a built up area of 3030 and super built up area of more than 3300 square foot. So, let's have a very quick villa tour of this particular villa. So, in the particular villa, you'll be getting an car parking, dedicated covered car parking, which is around 150 to 180 square feet. Plus you'll be getting a deck area at the entrance and the entrance porch area. So the entrance door is basically the shutter plus the main door is made up of teak wood. So this is an automatic lock. So this is the living area. So living area has a attached sit out also, so which is covered with a wooden deck. Plus the major interesting point is you have a 6 feet private garden so attached to the villa. So every villa basically will be getting the 6 feet private garden. So this is the dining area. With attached kitchen. And here is the utility back side of the villa attached to the kitchen. A sufficient space has been left for the ventilation and air. So there is a single bedroom in the ground floor. So which has a balcony. With attached toilet. So the bathroom fittings are basically of bath sense. This is the Asian Paints collaboration. Except the main door, the other doors are made of engineering wood with veneer. So let's move on to the first floor now. So this is how the staircase are. So these are of rubber wood. Basically these are scratch resistant and also these are life matlab has a good life. So this is one study area or a workspace basically which can be utilized for the working. This is a living area in the first floor. This is a master bedroom. With the attached toilet. We have a very spacious balcony for all the bedrooms, and this is how it looks. We have an ample space. It's a huge balcony is what we have at Elegance. All the 4 bedrooms has a balconies. So there is one specific thing. So all these glass doors are of Saint Gobain, so which is one of the highest standard glasses with toughened quality. So we have one more bedroom on the first floor So this is how it looks. All the 3 bedrooms which are in the upper floor will have a wooden flooring apart from the one which is in the ground floor. So there is a proper take caring of a ventilation points from the architects, ensuring the good quality of light and air is passed inside the villa. You can see, so there is an ample amount of air and ample amount of light has been spread across the villa. So this is one balcony which is facing towards the main road. So this is how the project outside looks. So there is a small plantation area also has been done in the first floor. If you can just have a look. Now we will move to the second floor. This is once again a small living area in the second floor. In the second floor, basically with the 4th bedroom, we have given an option of getting it as a home theater. So this is how it looks. The proper acoustics things has been taken care for the home theater. So this particular bedroom can be utilized as the 4th bedroom